In this video we are going to add a Z-Wave Smart Switch. This is a SmartStart device and simply add it by scanning a QR code. Open the Thinka companion app and select Add SmartStart device. Point the camera at the QR code on the device. Give the Smart Switch a name and add it to a location. I call it Smart Switch and I will add it to living room. Press Save. We now see a message that the inclusion was successful. We close the app and continue in the browser. The Smart Switch is not visible on the dashboard because it's not powered. To check whether the inclusion was successful, we go to Settings, choose the Z-Wave tab and scroll to the provision list. We see that the inclusion of the Smart Switch was successful. To complete the inclusion, we must first power the Smart Switch. With this Smart Switch, the light stops flashing when the device has been included. As we can see here in the left corner, the Thinka is fetching data from the Smart Switch. Keep in mind, fetching data can sometimes take a while. This varies per device. The Smart Switch installation is completed and is located in the living room.